No. They're over there. We're fine here.
Oh, I see how they get them together. Because you see there's a rope between them.
Yeah, I see. Is that rope?
Well,
Does the rope stay there between them?
Yeah, because that's how they keep together on the thing.
All clear.
Lisa, they really have to do this on your walk and set go together.
Okay, let's back up a little bit.
Let's back up a little bit. It's really a little close over here. Right here is a very, very close.
But you'll see they're going to go so fast.
I understand that. It's pretty far. My kids do this in camp, my girls. My boys
Yeah,
do
Pam
too.
said they had it at camp when she went to camp.
Yeah. It's in camp. They do it in day camp and they do it in sleepaway. They love it.
Hold on.
Oh, that was a good picture.
Oh, that was great.
Except now they've disappeared. That was really good. Here they come back again. Isn't that great?
That's it?
Yeah. That's it.
We did it.
That was great, girls.
That was good. Do you want the video? Do you want to send it on YouTube? Yes.
Could you just go and hold the rope for Kate? It makes it a lot easier.
Oh, sure.
Stop filming now. We're good.
Okay.